Hi, a National 5 straight line question. So find the equation of the line joining these 2 points. So a few things to do here. Step 1 is to find the gradient of the line joining the 2 points. How do we find the gradient? It's essentially the change in the height divided by the change in horizontal distance. So to do that, we use the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Again, the top just finds the change in height. The bottom of the equation here just finds the change in the horizontal distance. So to try and make it foolproof, I would always label x1, y1, x2, y2. So guys, this is not x squared and y squared, it's x2, y2, x1, y1. What does that mean again? It's just literally the first x coordinate, the first y coordinate. And then we've got a second set of coordinates here. We've got an x and a y coordinate again, so we call them x2 and y2. Okay, don't confuse that with x squared and y squared. They're totally different things. Right, so y2 minus y1, so that's 30 minus 110 over x2 minus x1, 25 minus 5. So that'll be negative 80 over 20, which when we simplify that, 80 divided by 20 is 4, so that'll be negative 4. So we have the gradient. We now substitute that into y equals mx plus c. So remember, the gradient is m. So this will become y equals negative 4x plus c. So that means that on the straight line we're going to get, the y-coordinate is negative 4 multiplied by the x-coordinate plus c, whatever c is. So we can work out c. So this rule will work for any values on the line, okay? So the point 5, 110 lies on the line. So I've used that point. I could just have easily have used the other point, 25, 30. So if you use that point, you will end up with the same answer. Okay, so again, underneath I've written x, y. So this is my value of x. When the x coordinate's 5, the y coordinate is 110, so let's substitute those values in. So y equals, well, the y coordinate's 110, so 110 equals negative 4 times 5 plus c. Negative 4 times 5 is negative 20. 110 equals negative 20 plus c. So add 20 to both sides of this equation and we get c equal to 130. So remember, we've got this, y equals negative 4x plus c, and now know c is 130. So I'm just going to replace c with 130. So y equals negative 4x plus 130. Oh, zooming in, I didn't mean to. Right, part B says find the y-coordinate when the x-coordinate equals 30. So this rule tells us the y-coordinate if we know the x-coordinate. So here the x-coordinate's 30. So the y-coordinate will equal negative 4 multiplied by 30 plus 130. Well, negative 4 multiplied by 30 is negative 120 plus 130 will be 10. And that's it done. That's the question answered.